Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back. New and latest, beautiful and cute shoe sock styles, like shoe styles and sock styles. Looks like easy to carry for carpet, house wear, for women fashion shoe, crochet pattern, like pump shoes, ideas and styling. So I hope you like it my video, and different style, add decorative edges around the opening, and apply fabric paint, dots, or attach unknown slip sole for added grip, and web in any loosey ends with a Tapestry needle. Customization, use different colors or stitch pattern to personalize your carpet shoe socks, and regularly try on the shoes as you work to ensure a good fit, and use a sturdy and consider forcing areas that will experience more wear, creating crochet carpet shoe socks in a practical and enjoyable project that results in a cozy and stylish editing and stylish addition to your home footwear styles. So guys, I hope you like it my video and my channel. Please see this video till the end and mention in comment section for your feedback and response. So take care and bye bye, see you soon. I'm back once again new